Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Welcome to another product review. Today I have a couple of items that my friends over at CVLIFE has sent me. They sell gun accessories. Today I have a standard 1x20mm 1x green dot. A little bit different from a red dot, but it's greens. Some people swear that the green ones are more clearer than the red. Silica gel, lens cleaner, instructions. It has a regular mount, Torx key, and here is the green dot itself. Comes with bikini covers, lens covers. You don't really need lens covers unless you're like in the desert or something. It's good to have, I guess. Comes with about a 1-inch riser mount, windage, elevation settings, battery compartment, high and low intensity on the brightness. I put a battery in here already. It's a CR2032 standard quarter size battery. I'll press that on and we'll put it at the highest intensity. Very clear, sharp green dot. I'll show you what it looks like. These dots are hard to capture on a cell phone camera, but you could tell. Just pretend that it's super sharp. Maybe if I go forward like that, you could tell. As you can see, I have a target bag over there on the fence. That's my makeshift targeting. Anyway, it's very cool. Now, on all my firearms, I have MOTAC, motion activated, shake awake red dots on all my guns, except for this one. This is my range gun, so, you know, you just press the button and it's on. But the reason why I like the MOTAC shake awake feature red dots or green dots is because when things go bump in the night, you're in the dark, you're fumbling around, you grab your weapon, you want to just point it, acquire the target and shoot, right? You don't have time in panic situation to find the on and off switch of your red dot to turn it on. So with the MOTAC shake awake feature, you just pick it up and it's on automatically. It senses motion. So once you pick it up, it's on automatically. To save battery, if you leave it idle for a while, it goes off automatically. So you never have to worry about it. You just mount it and go. I'm just gonna put this on here real quick and see what it looks like. Just gonna take this one off. The second thing we have today is a BIPOD, a carbon fiber BIPOD. So there we go, we installed the BIPOD, and basically you could just pull it down like this, extend it, and you're good to go. Pretty cool, huh? So here it is. As you can see, after it's mounted, it pivots left and right. And you could also extend the legs and stow it if you want. Now when you're at the range, you need to sight it in. It's easy to sight in, and you can turn it if you want. So if you guys want to go check out some great accessories from CVLIFE, go check out this 1x20mm green dot with motion activated MOTAC shake awake feature, as well as a really cool carbon fiber bipod. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's review. We'll see you guys next time. Mowers, blowers, and guns.
AR-15, 11.5 inch, compensated with an iron bonded bolt carrier, Trigicon AccuPoint with 1.6 magnification.